In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a Google Meet in 2025 using screen capture. Whether you're hosting a meeting or simply participating, being able to record the session can be incredibly useful for reviewing details later or sharing the content with those unable to attend. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, open your browser and go to meet.google.com, or you can use your Google Meet app if you have it installed. This is your starting point for joining or initiating a meeting. If you're joining an existing meeting, click on Join a Meeting. It's that simple. You'll probably need to enter a meeting code if it's required. For those starting a fresh meeting, you'll want to click New Meeting. Both options will eventually lead you to the same place inside a Google Meet session. Once you're ready to begin, select Join Now to officially start the call. Now, here's where the recording process begins. Once you're inside the meeting, you'll need to navigate your cursor to the bottom right corner of the screen. Here you'll find the Activities icon. Go ahead and click on it. This icon is your gateway to various in-meeting options, one of which is recording. From the Activities menu, select Recording. This will initiate the recording process. In some cases, you might be prompted to select a language. This step is crucial as it helps ensure that the subtitles and voice recognition feature work optimally. Once that's all set, all attendees in the meeting will receive an alert indicating that the meeting is being recorded. It's a good practice to remind attendees in advance about the recording to maintain transparency. To wrap things up when you're done recording, you'll return to the same Activities menu. From there, click on Stop Recording to end the session capture. Keep in mind that this action stops the recording only and not the actual meeting itself. There are some important aspects to note when it comes to recording Google Meets. First, ensure your Google Workspace account has the necessary permissions to record meetings. Often, this requires a specific account type or level of access. Additionally, your administrator may need to have enabled recording features for your organization as part of their settings. Once you've completed the recording, it's automatically saved to the organizer's Google Drive. This is convenient because it centralizes all recorded meetings in one accessible location, making it easy to share the link with attendees or others who need to review the content. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to recording a Google Meet session in 2025. Remember, being prepared and understanding these steps will help you make the most out of your virtual meetings. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy recording.